Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to create this smoky eye makeup look. Now this is a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial because I myself I'm not a pro at makeup. Okay, I am not a makeup artist. It is something that I have learned myself by watching tutorials itself. And makeup, I believe, is kind of an art, and you can only do it best when you keep practicing and when you keep trying things that work for you. Okay, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can create this kind of a smoky eye makeup look for the coming party season, because it's Christmas, it's New Year's, and I'm sure you would want to look your best in this party season. So the three highlight products of this makeup tutorial are these three from Kiro Beauty. So Kiro is an Indian beauty and makeup brand, and their products are not only infused with vitamins, oils and butters, but are also removed of nasty toxic ingredients that could potentially harm the body. Also, their products are PETA certified, toxin free, vegan and paraben free as well. So the first product that I've used in today's tutorial for creating this smoky eye look is this kajal by Kiro Beauty. So this is the all day comfort kajal liner. Now this one contains jojoba oil as well as argan seed oil, and this comes in three different shades, I believe. One is a black, one is a brown, and the other one is a dark blue color as well. Also, the best part about this kajal is that it comes in this kind of a retractable form, so you do not have to worry about the product wastage, or for it to you don't have to worry about sharpening and stuff. They also contain jojoba seed oil as well as argan oil, and it glides on to your lids like butter. It just blends in so beautifully, especially if you want to create this kind of a smoky eye look. This particular kajal is really good because it gives you a little bit of wear time to blend your eyeshadow, to smudge it as well. So that is why I really loved using this kajal for creating this particular smoky eye look. Then the next product that I would highly recommend you should try out is this one. This is the long wear brightening eyeshadow stick in the shade peachy gold, okay, which looks like this. So I have used this one to highlight my inner corners right here, like you can see. So it just adds a little bit of pop in your inner corners. So again, this one comes in, I believe, three different shades. So even this eyeshadow stick can be used to highlight your inner corners, or you can use this all over your eyelids as well as an eyeshadow. So that was the second product, and now coming on to the third and my absolute favorite product is this liquid lipstick that I'm currently wearing. So this is the shade called Nutmeg Nude number 12, and oh my god, like this particular shade is the perfect nude for every skin tone. Okay, whether you're dark, whether you're medium, whether you're light, this is one such shade that will look beautiful across all skin tones. Okay, so yeah, now without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Okay guys, so for my foundation I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'll just apply a little bit all over my face and blend it with my fingers itself. So now for concealing, I'm going to be using my favorite, the Stars concealer in the shade D. Okay, and this is a cream concealer. I use this in every of my makeup tutorial, and this gives you a completely full coverage. That is why I love using this. Okay guys, so that's our base done. Now to set this entire face, I again will be using my Verified's powder. Okay, so this is a loose powder by the brand called Verified, and it seems to blur out your skin, basically give you that nice Paris filter effect. That is why I love using this. So with the help of a very nice powder brush, this again is by Verified, this is the 01 brush, I will be dusting this all over my face. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using the Kieros Glow On Blush Duo in the shade Perfect Pink and Fresh Grapefruit. So there are two shades in this one. Okay, so this time I'm going to go ahead with this bright Fresh Grapefruit shade. So I really love the flush of color, natural flush of color that this particular blush gives me. It's not very pigmented, but that is the best part about this blush, because you can slowly and gradually build it up the way you want, the kind of intensity you want. You can build it up as per your liking. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to be using my current favorite highlighter. So this one is by Nude Sticks, and this is an all over face highlighter in the shade Hey Honey. Okay, so this comes in this kind of a tube form basically, and you just have to like twist it open and apply gently. Real glow, which I really like. See, you can see it just, your skin looks so much more healthier and glowy. And this one also does not have any like chunky particles or anything. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my favorite. This is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So this comes with a spoolie on one end and the product on the other hand. So first I'll be just brushing my eyebrows with the help of the spoolie, and then I will fill it with the product. Okay guys, so now it's time for the eye makeup. Now for eye makeup, since we're going to be doing a smoky eyes, I need a very good kajal. Okay, so for that I'm going to be using this Kieros All Day Comfort Kajal Liner, and this one contains jojoba oil as well as argan oil. So I'm going to be using this in the black shade that they have. I will just be defining my crease first with the help of this brown shade right here, so that I get my eyes get a bit of definition, and after that we'll go ahead with the kajal. And now with the help of this dark brown shade, I'm going to gently pat the edges with it, so that we have a seamless base. Yeah, this is a kind of smoky eyes that I generally would like go out for in case I'm going out for a party. Now to finish up this look, I will be applying, and I'll be applying it right here on my waterline as well. Okay, so this is our super easy smoky eyes. Okay, for anybody who is even a beginner, this is the most easiest way that you can do a smoky eye. And now I'm going to be just repeating the same on my other eyes and be right back. So that's our eye makeup done. So now I'll quickly curl my lashes, wear my falsies, and be right back. And now finally, to finish this makeup look, I'm going to be applying my lipstick, and I'm going to be using this Kieros liquid lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude. So that finishes this makeup look, and I'm just going to quickly accessorize a little bit and be right back.